What is going on? I hope everyone is doing well. All right, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to try to do like an epic loadout for the Super Hornet. But before we start that, did you guys know that there is more to the store underneath? Like in the commons area, there's extra stores down here. Like, look at this. This is crazy. Okay, what do we got? We got Tiger Claw. We got Moby. You can get different colored Moby glasses? Are you serious? That is friggin' cool. Okay, what else do we got here? Okay, another color. Wait, what's over here? Contacts. Oh, is this how we see our HUD? So it's not through. I thought it was through the visor of the helmet. Anyways, oh, well, look, there's more down here. Okay, let's go down here. Let's check it out. What do we have? We have Opticore Avionics. Oh, is this like hard drives for the maps and stuff for the computers? Then what's this over here? Memvio. It must be some kind of computer. Bring your own vision to life. Mirage Holo Project. Oh, holo projectors. Oh, that's cool. Like a portable holo projector. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, see, I guess this would be an example of a holo projector. One of the moons around Microtech. What? Holo tables. Are you joking? Is this something that we're going to be able to buy for our ships maybe later on in the game? There's a like large one. Here's a couple of small ones. That'd be freaking cool. All right, enough of that. Let's start upgrading our ship. There is something in particular that I want to try to get. So let's go ahead. We are here on Lorville. Heading over to HD. HD is where you buy all the guns. Well, the intrusions anyways. So we are going to go with intrusion 3s. Okay, we're gonna buy 2 of these. That will go on the wings. That'll replace the ballistics. So the default comes with ballistics on the wings. I'm changing those over to the intrusion 3s, and I'm gonna do intrusion 4. Yeah, I'm gonna do an intrusion 4. All right, so let's go ahead. Instead of bringing everything everywhere, we're gonna load it up into a ship and then transport it, because the next thing that we actually have to do is we have to replace the turret ball that's on the Hornet. So the one that comes on the Hornet is for 2 guns, like 2 size 2s, and so we're putting a size 4 cannon, so we're gonna have to change the turret ball for that one. But yeah, so back to what I was saying, we are gonna replace the 2 size 3 Gatling guns on the wings with the intrusion 3s, and then look at the size of this intrusion 4. What the? This is dumb. This is gonna go on the Hornet. Oh my goodness, this is so funny. Okay, I can't wait to see it. Anyway, so as I was saying, and then the size 1 energy weapons that are on the nose, I'm going to replace those with Gatling guns. So it'll be 2 size 1s Gatling guns on the front of the nose. Yeah, and then upgrade the shields, upgrade the power plants, and also I don't know if I want to change out the quantum drive, but maybe later. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's do this. Yeah, this I'm actually getting really excited for this. What the heck is going on? Why isn't this like, hello? Oh my goodness, this game. It's a hate-love relationship is what it is. It really is. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. And let's go. And let's go. And you're not going. What is going on? Some serious lag going on here in the game today. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. And you're not going. And it's a love-hate relationship with this game. My goodness. Am I going to have to log out? I think I'm going to have to log out and log back in. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we reloaded back in, and yeah, okay. Let's just get back to work. Let's go ahead, load up this ship so we can take it over to the next spot to go pick up the ball. And this thing is massive. Look at the size of this. This is crazy. Anyways, like I said, when we get to our next destination, we're gonna buy the turret ball for this size 4 gun, and then I'll call the Super Hornet over there so that way I can just assemble everything. But yeah, okay. Here we go. I'm getting excited. We're at our last destination, and let's go ahead and what? Oh! I just got flung out of the ship. Well, not out of the ship, but off of the catwalk there. Ow, that hurt. Okay, let's go ahead. We are looking for this guy right here. Gonna go quick buy because we only need one. Now that we have the Super Hornet called and stored, we're gonna go to systems and okay, this is gonna get a little confusing. Okay, this is it here. No, where is it? Oh, those are, okay, hold on. Just bear with me. I'm still trying to figure this out. Okay, there we go. And yeah, the ball's there. Look at that. Look, that is so dumb. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. What the heck did I just create? What did I just create? Like, look at this. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Like, this is all 3 systems. Gatling guns. This is just so, like, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so dumb. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Okay, let's go have some fun. Let's go have some fun and do a mission. Guys, if this is the kind of thing that you guys like watching, why don't you go ahead? Why don't you leave a comment down below? Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Not a lot of things today are free. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every single time we release a new video. And this is more to come. This is just crazy. Oh my goodness. This is just looks so cool. It's overkill. I can't wait to try it out in a mission. Alright guys, until the next time, stay safe, and who knows, maybe we'll see you out there. Oh my goodness, seriously.